Looks like they got 30% off the hash wall, just like every other outlet I've seen this week. So let's see what we found. What is that doing at the outlet already? What's going on here? So confused. And the size 10s, 9.5 10s. I don't know what's going on, but look at this. 185 retail, 30% off, right? So Martin's, 30% off. Not bad. 9.5. We got some 10s. Got some 0.21X. Some Westbrooks. Got a couple of those. Got some KDs. Those go for 110. KDs. KD 11s. What are these? Oh, some Air Max Deluxe. I've seen these quite often. $90. 30% off. $90. 30% off. 9.5. We got some more. Actually, that was a size 10. So yeah. 9.5. Martins. Some more. So why not? I think those are the ones for 10. Got some regular. Got some regular LeBron stuff. It's just the black. Got some chlorophylls. 120 for chlorophylls. Not bad. 120. Oh, actually 120, 30% off. 120, 30% off. Got a few pair. Got 3 of them. Actually 4. And just 8.5. Yeah, 8.5. Got some Curry Friends. 130, 30% off. Got some Jordan 16 lows. Those are the triple black. 160, 30% off. Checking out the size 12s. Can't really see. Forgot which one these are. The leather looks really distressed. Interesting. I forgot the name, but it's going for retail 160, 30% off. Not bad. Not bad. They got the 3 wools. 3 wools. Yes. Feels super heavy. Yeah. Totally wool material. Not bad. Hitting for 160, 30% off. Not bad. In the size 13, got some Cocho 4s, Carpe Diems, 30% off. And we got Gen 23, size 11.5. So one obviously returned one of these Flyknits. Like that. 190, 30% off. Not bad. Phones and phone posits. Oh, 105, damn. Not bad, 105. 30% off, not bad. That's really good. Got the Laney 5s, 139, not bad. Friends, Curry 5 Friends, 110. Got some 4s. Nothing super interesting. Super reasonable price. Got the fadeaways. Curry 5s, not bad. Not bad if you're a fan of 312s. No 312, that's your style. I got some running shoes and some Air Max, but nothing really interesting today. Nothing really interesting. So you can never be too scared to ask. Apparently those are the only ones. There's a return size 10, which is my size. They are a little tight though. These fit a little tight. But not bad though. Not bad. Within a week, you'll have a chance at an outlet. 30% off. So I didn't end up copping nothing. I really wanted them Giannis's, but they ran a little small, size 10. Normally I wear a size 10. I probably need a size 10.5 on those. I was looking for my brother-in-law who wears a 9.5, and I actually was about to cop for him, but I just don't see it being his style. I think it's a little too loud for him, and I don't know if he would have liked it. So didn't cop, but it debuted last week, sold out, 30% off now. Kind of a sick deal. I wonder if I should have gotten him, but I don't think he would have been into him. So no worries. Can't cop every time. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Make sure you follow along. I do tend to hit up the outlets way too often. pretty much all of them in Southern California. So yeah, hope you enjoy. We're back. We're back. I should have got them Giannis's. So I'm back to pick them up. Let's see if they got them.